WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. It allows the user to run the Linux environment directly on the Windows machine without a third-party VM or a dual boot in your Windows. It allows the user to run Linux binaries on the Windows, and you can choose your favorite Linux distribution from the Microsoft Store, which is available. The primary goal is to increase the system performance and the full system call compatibility. It supports from Windows 10 May 2020 to May 2019 and November 2019 or later. The process of installing the WSL in your Windows machine is to enable WSL, and we need to enable VirtualMachinePlatform and then set WSL2 as your default and install your Linux from the Microsoft Store. Now we will go through the commands which are needed to install the WSL. First, we will enable the WSL2 using the above command. Okay, it is enabling the WSL2 version. Okay, it started enabling. Okay, now it's completed. Now we will enable the virtual machine platform. Check the version whether it is compatible. WSL2 is compatible to my machine. Yes, it is compatible. Now we will proceed to enable the virtual machine platform. Okay, the operation is completed. Now we will make the WSL2 as my default one. Okay. Next thing, I will go to my Microsoft Store. Okay, and search for the Linux. Okay, I have this much Linux versions and the distributions available. So I'm selecting Ubuntu for now. I'm going to enable and install it in my Windows machine. Okay, I'm getting the Ubuntu. So I will install Ubuntu in my Windows machine now. It is downloading to my laptop. Okay, and it started installing. Okay, now it is installed. I will launch the Ubuntu now. Okay, it will take few minutes to install and set up the Linux. Okay, now we need to provide a username and a password for it's like a Linux login. It can be different from your Windows username. Okay, the setup is complete now. Okay, let me check the version. Okay, by this way we have enabled WSL and we have got a Ubuntu machine